This 5-minute tutorial is brought to you by the AACPS Office of Instructional Technology. Today we are discussing Lumio by Smart. This application can be paired with any existing Google slide deck that you've already created. Use this tool to add interactive elements to help your staff collaborate, communicate, and engage with your live presentations. It's a great option for both virtual and in-person meetings. We will begin by going to your Google Drive. Right-click on any existing slide deck, click Open With, and select Lumio by Smart. You will be prompted to log into Lumio. Click Teacher Sign In and select either login option. Select your account and you will be logged in. Once you are logged in, you'll be given the option to choose the slides you want to use for your presentation. Select individual slides or select all to import. Click Add when ready. After selecting your slides, they will appear on the left-hand side of your screen. You can click the slides to reorder them, and you can add additional text by using the A button at the top of the slide. You can add lines, shapes, images, or links to each slide by clicking on the Shapes tool at the top of the slide. Lumio allows you to add audio to individual slides. This accessibility feature can eliminate the need to create a recording of your presentation. This audio makes pertinent information accessible to your staff after the fact, especially when used with a self-paced feature. To add audio, click on the speech icon in the upper right-hand corner. It will prompt you to start the recording, which can be up to 5 minutes long. Create your recording and click Pause for review when finished. You will have the option to continue recording, delete and start over, or click Add. To add interactive elements to your slides, click on the plus sign in the lower left corner. We're going to highlight a few options, starting with the word search, a simple engaging activity that can be used prior to the start of your meeting. Click on Game-Based Activities, scroll, and select Word Search. Enter up to 20 words. Adjust the grid size or difficulty, and select Next when you are finished. Select the background for your word search and click Finished when you're done. Next, I will show you how to make your community building question interactive. Click on the slide and click on the magic wand tool in the upper right-hand corner and select Whole Class Whiteboard. Your staff will then be able to use the toolbar on the left-hand side of their screen to add text or images to the slide. All information on this slide will be viewable to all the participants. The Magic Wand tool can also be used to make an individual slide into a collaborative workspace. Select the slide you would like to convert and click the Magic Wand tool in the upper right-hand corner and select Group Workspace. During the presentation, you will have the option to create a certain number of groups, groups by number of members, and move members between groups. Lastly, let's learn how to create a poll or a question. This feature will create a new slide, so we begin by clicking on the plus sign in the lower left corner and select the response option. Select the type of question you would like to use and fill in the fields. You can add more questions or click Next and then Finished. When you are done editing your slide deck, click Finish Editing in the upper left-hand corner. Lastly, let's go over how to share your Lumio presentation with your staff. I recommend practicing with a couple peers before your live meeting. From here, hover over the presentation and click Start. Your presentation is now live. To add participants, click on the people icon on the left side and select the pop-out icon. This shows instructions for how to log into your presentation. As participants log in, they will populate the left-hand side of your screen. To end your presentation, click the 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner and select End Lesson. All Lumio presentations are automatically stored in a file in your Google Drive. You can search for them by name or use your Recents tab. All Lumio files are denoted by the Lumio Firefly. Simply double-click on the file to launch your presentation. I hope you found this helpful and how you can incorporate Lumio by Smart into your next meeting. This is a simple, easy tool that shows staff if you can do it, they can too.